Silicon soil, the high-tech transformation of modern agriculture. Precision agriculture has become the secret sauce of modern farming, turning agricultural fields into data-driven wonderlands. Imagine farmers wielding smartphones that are more powerful than the computer systems that first sent humans to the moon. Sensors scattered across fields now collect more information than a nosy neighbor, tracking everything from soil moisture to plant health with microscopic precision. Drone technology has revolutionized crop monitoring in ways that would make traditional farmers' jaws drop. These flying technological marvels can now scan entire fields in minutes, detecting crop stress, irrigation issues, and pest infestations before they become visible to the human eye. It's like having a superhero scout that can see through the Earth's green carpet, revealing hidden agricultural mysteries. Artificial intelligence is taking center stage in crop prediction and management. Machine learning algorithms can now forecast crop yields, predict disease outbreaks, and optimize planting strategies with an accuracy that seems almost magical. These AI systems are like agricultural fortune tellers, but instead of crystal balls, they use complex data models and satellite imagery. The Internet of Things, IoT, has transformed farming equipment into smart, interconnected machines. Tractors are no longer just big, loud machines moving across fields, they're now sophisticated computers on wheels. GPS-guided tractors can plant crops with millimeter-perfect precision, creating perfectly aligned rows that look like they've been drawn with a ruler. Some of these machines can even operate completely autonomously, turning farming into a high-tech symphony of mechanical precision. Genetic engineering is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in crop development. Scientists are now able to create plants that can withstand extreme conditions, resist diseases, and offer enhanced nutritional profiles. It's like giving plants a superhero upgrade. Drought-resistant corn, salt-tolerant rice, and nutrient-packed vegetables are no longer just dreams but emerging realities. Robotics is making its grand entrance in agriculture, with specialized robots now capable of tasks ranging from delicate fruit picking to precise weeding. These mechanical farmhands can work around the clock, doesn't need breaks, and can be incredibly precise. Imagine a robot that can identify and remove individual weeds without disturbing the surrounding crops. It's like having a botanical surgeon working in your fields. Advanced climate monitoring systems are helping farmers anticipate and adapt to changing environmental conditions. Sophisticated weather prediction models combined with real-time data collection allow farmers to make split-second decisions about irrigation, planting, and harvesting. It's like having a meteorological crystal ball that actually works. Microbiome engineering is emerging as a game-changer in sustainable agriculture. Scientists are now exploring how to optimize the microscopic ecosystem within soil, using beneficial microorganisms to enhance plant growth, improve nutrient absorption, and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers. It's like creating a microscopic underground army that works tirelessly to support crop health. Renewable energy is finding its place in agriculture, with solar-powered irrigation systems and wind-powered farming equipment becoming increasingly common. Farms are transforming into self-sustaining ecosystems that generate their own energy while producing food, creating a beautiful cycle of sustainability. Satellite imaging has become so advanced that farmers can now monitor crop health from thousands of miles away. These high-resolution images can detect variations in plant health, soil composition, and potential problem areas with incredible accuracy. It's like having a bird's-eye view of your farm, but with the precision of a microscope. The future of agriculture is not just about producing more food, it's about producing food smarter, more efficiently, and more sustainably. These technologies are transforming farming from a traditional occupation to a cutting-edge scientific endeavor, promising a future where we can feed a growing global population while protecting our planet's resources. Who knew that the humble farm could become a hotbed of technological innovation? Certainly not our grandparents, who would probably be both amazed and slightly terrified by these agricultural advancements. Imagine a world where farming isn't just about getting your hands dirty, but about getting smart, really, really smart. We're talking about a food revolution that's less old MacDonald had a farm, and more Silicon Valley meets your dinner plate. Picture vertical farms that look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, where crops are stacked like the world's most delicious Jenga tower. Companies like Plenty are turning agriculture into a high-tech symphony, using AI and LED lights to grow crops so precisely that plants probably feel like they're getting 5-star spa treatment. Who knew lettuce could be so pampered? But wait, there's more. We're now in an era where meat can be created without a single cow mooing or chicken clucking. Eat Just is basically performing culinary magic in Singapore, cultivating chicken in bioreactors that sound more like something NASA would use than a kitchen. It's like science fiction met a gourmet restaurant and had a really delicious baby. In India, farmers are becoming part-time tech wizards. Agri-tech is using satellites and drones to give crops personalized care plans that would make most health apps look amateur. Imagine a farmer checking crop health via an app instead of walking through fields. Talk about a workplace upgrade. The plant world is getting its own superhero makeover too. BioWorks is creating biological fungicides that work with plants' natural defenses, basically giving crops an immune system boost. It's like providing your vegetables with a tiny botanical superhero cape. Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods are turning plant-based proteins into culinary chameleons, creating meats that could fool even the most dedicated carnivore. These aren't your grandma's veggie burgers, these are scientific masterpieces that make plants look like culinary shapeshifters. And just when you thought food tech couldn't get wilder, enter technologies like CRISPR gene editing, essentially giving plants a precise genetic makeover. Drought-resistant corn. Nutritionally supercharged rice. It's like plants are getting a scientific glow-up. Blockchain is transforming food traceability, making supply chains so transparent that your tomato could practically tell you its entire life story. 3D food printing is pushing boundaries so far that personalized nutrition might soon be as common as personalized playlists. We're not just producing food anymore, we're orchestrating a global culinary revolution. These technologies aren't just changing how we grow, process, and consume food, they're reimagining our entire relationship with what we eat. From AI-optimized vertical farms to lab-grown proteins, we're creating a future where food is sustainable, efficient, and frankly, pretty darn cool. Who said science can't be delicious? Certainly not me. Pass the lab-grown chicken, please. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's the easiest way to stay charged up and support our channel's electrifying journey.